Good morning, you guys. So I figured I would film kind of like a reseller day work with me. I think it's like 8 in the morning because Jacob just left for work not that long ago. I usually would straighten my hair, but I'm trying to wear it like naturally curly. We're gonna see how this goes. I tried using the bowl method. I don't think I did it completely right. Clearly I've got some frizz. I didn't use mousse, which I think everyone recommends to use mousse, but I didn't use mousse today. Maybe I will tomorrow. But my dad is coming to pick up the kids in just a little bit. Also, if my eyebrows look crazy, it's because I dyed them last night. So usually for like the first 24 hours, they look a little whack, but they'll calm down. My dad's coming to pick up the kids in just a few hours so I can get some work done. So that's like where the bulk of this will be. But I figured I would just take you around, show you kind of what my day as a reseller looks like. So right now I need to go and see what my kids are doing. I'm in the kids' bathroom. Owen's brushing his teeth, right? You doing a good job?
I want to see.
Oh, you want to see? I've started a load of laundry. Also, I don't know how we ever went a whole week without doing our laundry. Like even whenever it's just Jacob and I feel like after 2 days our laundry basket is full and it's the same laundry basket.
Daddy.
Daddy's went to work, baby.
Oh, me, Daddy.
You miss Daddy, yeah. But I literally have to do like our regular laundry every other day. And then sometimes I'll do like a random towels load or like a bedding load. But usually I'm still doing laundry every day. Anybody else in the Everyday Laundry Club? So I wanted to show you a couple of the things that I do when it is a work day, or like maybe the night, or maybe sometimes the day before it leads up to a work day. Is I go through my stuff here, my bins, my gray bins, or sometimes also my shoes that are in bags because I don't have a tote big enough really. Well, I do, but it would just not work out well. Usually my death pile isn't this big, but have done a lot of sourcing, which is good because the next 2 weekends I don't really have time to go sourcing. So anyways, what I do is I go through and I pick out what I want to do. So usually I pick from, if it's the summer stuff, like summertime, I'll pick from that first, and then maybe 1 or 2 from the other one. Since it's like winter time, a colder time, I'm picking primarily from my colder items bin, a couple from my warmer bin. But I count how many bags in the last week I have, and then I think about what I've sold and like where I have room. So today I chose 2 pairs of shoes and then 1 oversized item. I think I might have grabbed 2 oversized items, so I might need another item that can fit in the bag. The rest are items that can fit in the bag, and this is what I'll be photographing, what I'll be making descriptions for, all of that later today. Though I might try to take the photographs early because sometimes I can get that done while Owen is kind of playing. When Evie's napping, but she's not napping right this minute, so I won't get to photograph them right now, which is okay because it's only like 8:30. So, sorry, I've got to move these bags around everywhere. And then if I have extra time later, I have like some hard goodie type things that I need to put on eBay, like some Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles and some of those vintage patterns that I've shown, or that I showed in one of my last hauls. But yeah, for now, Owen is making coffee.
Mommy.
Thank you, honey.
I need more.
You need more, okay.
Take a...
Cheers. But yeah, I'm also going to, before my dad comes, because I can't work if I know like cleaning needs to be done, even though like I know that the work needs to get done because that's how I make money. I don't make money cleaning my house, but I can't concentrate if I know like the house needs vacuumed and mopped. So I've got the vacuum charging in just a little bit I will vacuum and then mop. So real good feeling. It is 9:10 and I have vacuumed and mopped the upstairs. The laundry is now in the dryer and I'm about to put this sweet girl with crazy hair down for a nap. So we're having a good morning, so that way then whenever I'm done putting her down for her nap, I'll either photograph first or I'll have Owen help me pick up the downstairs and I'll vacuum mop down there. Not sure which one we'll do first, but we'll figure it out. Okay, so I just got done photographing everything except for my 2 pairs of shoes. I still need to clean them and photograph them, but there's only 2 of them, so it won't take that long. So typically, if I'm doing anything that won't work on my mannequin here, I just hang it right here. I have the curtains open, so it's all natural light, because otherwise with where the light is in here, it would just be really shadowy. So yeah, that is done, and it's like 10:30 or something like that. Feeling good. So it is 11:45. My dad just came and got the kids, and I'm gonna get started on I don't want to say the actual work, because taking the photos is work too, but I'm going to start like the descriptions and everything. I'm gonna try to clean up these shoes a little bit so I can take the picture of it. And yeah, and then I have to go, and we sold a couple things, so I need to get those out from the garage and package them up. That way then on my way to get the kids, I can drop off those packages. But how I do it is I pull up the notes app on my laptop. I don't know where my laptop is, so I have to find it. Oh, I know where it is. It's in the kitchen. But then I'll type in like the brand, so like Judy Blue. Like in the notes, I'll type Judy Blue. If there's a style, so these are skinny fit, blue denim, skinny jeans, and then women's, and they're a 14W, so I put 14W. And then I'd put in a couple keywords, and then I would, enter down, I'd put the condition, I'd put more keywords, more things about the item, enter in again, and do either pit to pit and length, or inseam, rise, waist, all those sort of things. And then I will look up, like in like a search bar, I'll look up Judy Blue jeans. If I have a certain style number, I'll enter that in too, so I can try to find a stock photo, and so I can see around about what price things are. So that is what I'm to next. And then after I do that, I put it in a bag. I also put the bag number that I'll be able to find it in that description too. That way then whenever I go and I make my listings, everywhere has the same description, and it also has the bin number in it as well. That way then I could see the bin from anywhere if I needed to. Okay, so I have finished doing all the descriptions for everything. Now I have Luna with me, helping me, because she's very needy, clearly. But I have my tote of stuff that I went through and did, and now I need to put it away in my inventory. It's a mess out here. We bought this house to convert this garage, but we have not done it yet. I'm not going to show you because it looks atrocious. Like very bad. We need to go through and fix it up, but I'm going to put all this away, so then it's where it needs to go. So if I sell it, I can find it. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Okay, so I just got back in. I'm freezing, but I have the shipping that is going out today. Only 3 orders, so not a ton. I found one thing Jacob had, didn't put the number in. So I searched for that. That's really why I'm so cold, because it took me forever. But I'm going to package these 3 things up. And then I think I have a little bit of time left. I might try to do some eBay posting, hard good things. But then I'll be going to get the kids and dropping these packages off. Okay, you all, so I'm in the car, literally about to pull out of my house. I've got the packages in the bag there to go drop off at the post office on the way. But I gotta get going because otherwise I'm gonna get caught in school traffic. And I don't really want to be stuck in school traffic. So yeah, if you did enjoy, be sure to subscribe down below. Let me know if you like these kind of work with me sometime day in my life type things, and maybe I can remember to do more of them. But yeah, please check out my platforms below, subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.